transform her tame JK Rubicon into a Rocky Mountain rock-crawling monster. And the 5R crew rains down the latest and greatest upgrades to Jamie's iconic Jeep before the Denver Auto Show hosts the Rubicon reveal.
I know. Yeah, Lifted Life is back.
Woo!
And Jamie White's Jeep is the star.
Oh my God! I know it's not me; it's the Jeep, and it really is the Jeep.
It is.
It really is.
It is.
Yeah.
Lifted Life premieres tonight. Jake and TJ in studio with us this morning, guys.
Hey,
Congratulations.
Good morning.
Oh yes, Mike's on.
Let me hit a couple of buttons here, and I will have you. There you go.
Good morning.
Oh, there you are. Hey.
You guys have got to be excited. You got a brand new deal. It's NBC Sports Network, right?
Yep.
Sports
NBC
Network.
Yep.
Yeah. And you got your big debut tonight.
NBC SN, right? Yeah, I know. That's crazy.
Yeah.
What happened? How'd you guys get on NBC SN?
Sure, we lucked out. Bigger station, the whole deal. I think it's going to be awesome.
Yeah, I saw where you guys had done a contract. You ordered 14 episomost, so things are going great.
That's good. All right after hockey, man.
These are the guys from 5R. If you've seen Lifted Life, they take most the way the Jeep or a truck will come from the factory, and then they jazz it up, man. They put the wheels and the tires and the big lights, and Jamie's Jeep was one of the projects. Now, when did you have this done? Was it this like last May or June? I think
Joel?
it was.
Almost
It's been a while
ago.
Almost a year.
Yeah.
It's been almost a year.
So it was like you don't even know.
I don't know.
You're so
I don't know. It's been a year.
By the way, did you bring her doors?
Yeah.
She has been complaining about her doors.
Well, because they have them, and they're just like, we have your doors, not a problem. So they brought them
Oh, good.
because it's a little
Good.
chilly right now to drive without the half doors on.
So it airs tonight. You debut at 10:30. If you're not going to stay up and watch, you can always DVR it. But Jamie's Jeep is the star of the show.
And have you seen the Jeep in the commercial?
You know what? I've only seen pictures of your Jeep. I've not even seen your Jeep in person.
Oh, you haven't?
I don't think so.
That's weird.
I haven't. Now,
God, we're not good friends.
Sean saw it. Well, you haven't really driven it lately because
it's been a
the
little
winter
chilly,
and no doors.
Yeah, it's kind
It's
of
a
a little
difficult.
chilly.
Right, but I haven't seen it in person. I've seen the pictures of you and your son when you guys go out to like Rampart or somewhere to go your four-wheeling. It's massive. It's awesome. Probably
It turned out awesome.
I mean, are you guys okay? Because here's what I want to know, and you don't have to lie. But I mean, you guys do a lot of projects, right? Do you feel like this is kind of the best one ever?
It was cool the way it turned out with the bumpers.
Yeah, I feel like they say that to every
You know what?
client.
I don't think so, because I've gone through your website and seen some of the stuff, and you know me, I'm always retweeting you guys. you see me all the time on there, and I've seen a lot of the projects. You do killer work. I saw the Von Miller.
Yep.
You did his truck. I gotta tell you, the pictures I've seen, Jamie's Jeep came out probably as good, if not better, than anything I've ever seen.
Right?
Yep.
Because
really
it goes from so plain. I think that's what it is. It's because it's just a general Jeep to go to a transformer. It's
From
like
start to finish,
crazy.
it was a total transformation.
Yeah,
And honestly,
it's like a before and after. Like if I got skinny,
I
you know what I mean?
I know.
Hey, you're supposed to. You are skinny.
Oh yeah, you are.
It happened again.
It's almost to the point, though, guys, that you almost overdid it.
Hey!
No, I'm just saying.
Wait, what?
I'm just saying.
No, we
when
could have done
Jamie-
more.
But I know. But what I'm saying is that when Jamie sometimes is reluctant to drive it because of all the stairs,
gets a lot of
it gets so
attention.
much attention. And when she pulls up next to another Rubicon, it's like the other Rubicon goes, oh.
Okay, can I tell you the truth? This
It
is
is.
the truth. My son wants to pull up to Jeeps because Jeeps always park by Jeeps. But I tell him we can't do it because it feels mean.
Yeah, I know. it's like she's picking on the other Jeep.
I am. It's
Right?
embarrassing. I feel like if I was in the other Jeep, I'd be like, come on.
That's what I'm saying. The other Jeep goes, oh.
It's so sad.
I heard
Oh.
she causes accidents when she drives it too.
Yeah, because that guy, the guy in the, it wasn't a Miata. What was it? It was a little car, and he's pulling up next to me. And he's like, "Oh my God, Jamie!" Boom! He hits the car in front of him.
Oh,
That's awesome.
that's
It's-
awesome.
no, it's
So
bad.
you get like they wave to other Jeeps now?
Yeah, Joey
Yeah.
do the Jeep wave.
Like the
of course.
Jeep wave.
Yeah, but I kind of don't do that too because my son said, "Mom, why aren't they waving back?" I go, "Because they're jealous. Because there's a Jeep wave thing.
Yeah.
It's a thing.
Yeah,
But they don't wave back because they're like, ugh."
Well, I know the Jeep Wave. I drove a Liberty there for a while.
That's a different wave.
That's a different.
Yeah,
Hey, you two.
that's you know what that is? That's jazz hands. That's what that
Yeah,
is.
we can jazz hands.
When you have a Liberty, you do jazz hands.
Jake and TJ from Lifted Live here in the studio with us live. Tonight is the premiere. You guys have got to be excited. I mean, this thing's back. Did there, for a while there, did you feel like that possibly you weren't going to get a deal done, or you felt good about it? It was just finding the right network?
We felt good. It just was where it was going to end up, and I'm glad where it's going to go. And these episodes, I've seen them, and they're going to be better than they were last season, so I'm excited.
I'm very excited to see this particular episode with Jamie's Jeep.
Can I tell you the funniest thing that happened with the Jeep? My son and I were at Rampart, and we're four-wheeling, and there's a restaurant there, and then we pulled the Jeep up, and so we're eating in the restaurant, no big deal. Well, all these people surrounded my Jeep, and they started taking pictures with it and all that. I'm like, what? Because this is the first time it had been out. I'm like, oh my God, they're taking pictures with it and stuff. It was really kind of odd. And then my son goes, oh, look, Mom, I'm going to get a stepdad.
Oh, man. That's
So
awesome.
sad.
Poor kid.
Did you meet anybody that day?
No, I just stayed inside. I was like, yeah.
We've always joked. We joke about the Jeep that it's not meant for the road. It's not meant for it to be driven.
Because it's too
just,
pretty.
It's just too pretty.
It
Well,
is
she
great.
gets it dirty. Even before we worked on it, it was muddy. So.
Yeah, we were cleaning mud when it first showed up to the shop.
Well,
We
see,
knew
that's
what
what
was
you
gonna
use
go
a
on.
Jeep for.
There was mud on the roof inside.
Yeah, we might have taken it.
We call it the garage Jeep. It just sits
Because
in
it's
the
so
garage
pretty.
because it's too pretty. She doesn't want to scuff the tires.
Well, it doesn't have doors on it either right now.
Right, yeah, but that's why it's in the garage. But it's so pretty. I love it. I love this car. Like if I've had a lot of nice cars, like really nice cars. This is by far like the best car I've ever had. So thank you. It's amazing.
You guys,
I'm glad
It's
you like
so
that.
cool.
yeah, your pride. You guys working on a lot of stuff now.
Oh, it's crazy. A lot of cool projects.
Everybody, including me. Now I have a truck, and man, you just want that look.
You kind of want to
You
take
know,
it to
you
5R,
want
don't you?
that look.
You
Yeah,
kinda
I
wanna-
want that look.
You kind of want. Well, you're the one that
I don't-
introduced me to
But
him.
I want.
Are
my-
you kind of jealous because you introduced me to 5R and you're like, these guys are doing this show and I was thinking about my truck and then I did it.
I fully expected a check from these guys this morning. I really do. A little disappointed.
Just saying. I'm just saying. Like,
All right,
Yeah.
tonight.
Yeah.
Right. Tonight is the premiere. You got 14 episodes on the way. You got a long season ahead of you. But tonight, it's Jamie's Jeep that is going to be on display for the show. And again, the network is
NBCSN.
that's their sports network. So
Yeah,
you're
right
after
hockey tonight.
You're after hockey
Yep.
tonight. If you're not going to be up till 10:30, then just DVR.
Yep.
Just go in and find Lifted Live 10:30 tonight, NBC Sports Net, and just put it on DVR. You're going to love it when you see Jamie's Jeep.
It's amazing.
It's a good episode.
It's a really
awesome
cool
Jeep.
episode.
Yeah.
It really is.
Awesome.
TJ and Jake, thank you so much.
Thank
Thanks
you.
for having us,
Look forward
buddy.
to seeing the show
Good to see you
tonight.
guys.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you.
Radio DJ Jamie.